Oh, hey you guys, welcome to Inwood. If you've never been here before, I'm brain damaged and I don't know very much stuff, but our friends down at Vatrer have sent me a little bit of a package and I'd like to share it with you all. So this guy here, 300 Marmadukes onto it. 300 Marmadukes onto this guy, boys. So that's good. Look at that. I'll really zoom in on the features. Really zoom in on the features on that guy there, boys. Roar. I don't know. But we're looking at the model LM12300. Probably 12 volt 300 Marmadukes. That's what we're going to deal with here, 300 amp hours. So yeah, that's the sponsor today's video there, but I got to fix an air compressor, so we'll get back to this later. The gas compressor cocked the bed, so I'll take the head off that compressor, see if I can't fix it or something. I don't want to spend, you know, $109 for shipping or something, but that's US, so it's going to be like $700 for, you know, just a couple little fixings and stuff for the head on this stupid thing. So I don't know. I'm actually a guy in Kijiji, but I mean, if I buy a used compressor, I might as well, you know, it's going to break spass anyway, you know what I mean? Just the new one's just not the budget, boys. New one's just not the budget. So I had this bright idea to where I thought I could fix the compressor because like it was turning on, but then it wasn't making the pressure. So I thought, oh, you know, the head's got to be leaking or something. It's got to be, you know, the head or the valves or something is not any new valves, right? So then I was like looking online and I saw them and this and that, and they want $1,700,000 for these things, right? So I was like, well, we'll take her apart and we'll see. But I got a little ahead of myself here. I start just hauling the friggin' thing apart. No bagard. Got 2/3 of my whole entire crack hanging out. Nobody says anything to me. They just let me expose my almost innards to the neighborhood. It's not cool. But now I'm fumble fucking around. Oh, turn this, maybe if I turn that. So then just start hauling it off. Just thundering the bolts straight out of it. No regard. Okay? Not even making sure it's on there all the way, just like sending it. Look at that one wasn't even on. Oh my god, what am I doing? What am I doing? But yeah, I'll get that one a little more. Oh yeah, a little more. Haul them out of there. No reason. Watch this. This is good. Hold on a second. Yep. It'll just pull right off. Idiot. Oh, here I come. Get the club. Oh, come over here. Give her a little tippy tappy. Like I have no idea what I'm doing. Clearly, look at this. And then watch this. Bink! Off it comes. I apologize. Looking in there, not a clue what I'm looking at. Just stunned. Look at me, stunned. Oh, I'm like, oh no. What's all? And then start. Oh, better finger blast it, eh? Just finger banging it. No big deal. Haul that over there so I can set the head on it so it's not twisting my lines too bad. We'll break this now. Yep, break that off. It's cool. Not a clue. Just stunned. Yep, finger bang it again, bud. That's fixing it. Look at me fix it, boys. I'm really good at fixing stuff. Yeah, so can't Can't be Weisner. Can't be the Weisner. So look at all the Peter nets too. See that? Just clusters of them flying all around. That's crazy. I don't like those. You try to walk and you walk through a cloud of them, breed like 700 little Peter nets in. Gross. Gross. They like live from the Donecker. But yeah, look at me, just stunned, eh? Oh, I'll just set that there. I'll stand here, gawk at it. Peter nets flying all around me like a stink bug. You know? Yeah. Look at me. Hopeless. Yeah, put that back on. Oh, yeah, maybe it's fixed, boys. Hey, maybe I fixed it. Maybe Nelson sane. Oh dear. What have we done? What have we done for my second? Oh, torquing her down. Yep, so that's torqued down up. And then that'll be good. That'll just work now, eh boys? Hey boys, we'll just crack the head off it and then we'll just put the head back on and then that'll just be good. Look at the Peter nets. Oh my goodness gracious. Disgusting. Just filthy. Inwood's just putrid. Donecker and whatnot. Oh my. Okay, here we go. Oh, look at it works. Oh my goodness. It works so many times. Except for not though. Only. It's supposed to kick on, right? It's supposed to kick on. So what's happening is I took the head off for no reason, and coming out of the head is a little plastic tube that goes down to this little valve Bellini, and then that valve Bellini opens a little throttle valve, right? So it'll give it throttle. See, I'm flicking the thing back and forth there, and it wasn't doing nothing. It's supposed to do something. So, thought maybe lubing up the friggin'. Were you even looking? Thought maybe lubing up the valves would help, but I think it's the throttle actuator. This guy here, because yeah, I guess like I don't know. It's like suction on this side, so it'd have to be sucking there. I mean, that's the only. Yeah, that's the only thing it could be, sucking there to, you know, like this should be, as you do this, it should be like clacking the friggin' what's it back and forth, so, maybe this thing's dicked. Let's investigate further, but I also got to smidge cars and stuff. Oh my goodness, so majestic. Oh my goodness, the majestic boys. Oh, there comes a little one to just go f with them. Look it. Yeah. Run. Little one's coming to get you. Frig sakes, but yeah, that big bastard, he tries to bite the chickens, and we don't appreciate that too much. So, but yeah, that's what it appears it's gonna be. Is gonna be that. But we needed to do a valve job onto it, anyways, boys. So we've adjusted the valves there. And put the cage back on, I suppose, and yeah, that's probably what it is. That's probably what it is, I think, upon further investigations, you know what I mean? But yeah, anyways, I'll clean up my shit here, I'll put this cage back on, and get this button back up, and then yeah, smidge some load, some trucks or something, I don't know, we'll see. We got camping right around the corner, so we'll bring this setup with us and we'll have to test it out. They want me to make a video show you guys or whatever. I tried to get them to send me one to give you, but no capique, but yeah. This is just a cheap inverter, no affiliation. I just wanted to, you know, you gotta hook it up to something, right? So that's a little aggressive. Nice. So I don't know what I'm doing here, but I think if we pull this thing off, we could potentially fix it, but I don't know. I am completely decked, so there's that. I don't even know what this thing is. Oh, we got a little bit of poop in there. Uh-oh. Oh, great. Fucking ball just went flying out of there, so that's good. Oh, there's our little spring dink. That soon just seized as fuck. It's supposed to be like that. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. If it doesn't work, I'm just gonna blame Phil and get all mad as fuck and start swearing and shit.
Yeah, I was using it too much.
So now, I don't know, we gotta try to like watch a movie or something and figure out how some of this shit's supposed to work. But like, I don't even get this. Here. Like, what the f? I don't even know, you guys. I loosen this bullshit off though, so I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Well, she only went to 50. Something. I don't know. What the hell? Son of a bitch is up to 120 PSI. What the fuck? What the fuck? There we go, 110. So now what do we do?
Snug the differential lock. Once you do that nice and tight. Begin to screw the pressure screw with your smallest 9/16. You're simply going to turn the adjustment pressure screw counterclockwise. We're going to turn the differential screw clockwise. So essentially now we're going to repeat until you have the correct pressure.
How you doing?
Pretty good, Chris. How about you?
Not too bad. What's all the vehicles? Getting inspections and stuff?
Oh, it's all the guys looking at the house.
Oh yeah? Driving you nuts? Oh, it won't be long now. Be at the new place. Yeah, things are different in Inwood now. No baby Gacy. The freaking Oscar trucks will be gone. Last of the swearing kids.